Hello guys, my name is Tasco. Welcome back to one of my videos. As you can see, it's a really different video. I think that I'm gonna stop. If I upload this video, I'm gonna stop doing vlogs for just 1 week. And I just want to show you my routine of makeup. Like I have to do a photo shoot. Well, for my social media, I have to do some videos for social media, photos for social media, and all of that. And I was like, why I don't show you how I do my makeup nowadays? Just for creating content on social media. So let me just show you how I go from this to this. So let's just go. So let's start. I think this is going to be a tutorial. This is my first time doing using this, so I hope I don't fuck it up. So I'm gonna change this to this. I normally use it for sleep, but I still like fuck it. Let's just do it. So the first thing that I do for makeup all the time now is wearing this sunscreen. I always use it no matter what, even for night or daytime, because it protects my skin. Next thing, I always do under eye, so highlight on my face. So I use this. This is what I normally do because it's really like upper my normal skin tone, so I do it before the base. And I do use House of Lab Lady Gaga base. Like it's a little bit like warmer and yellowish, so it helps to combine with all of this and just unify all the color of my skin. Now that I have all my base, like the base of the face or the makeup, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I use this like really thin brush with some eyeshadows actually. So basically this is gross, but I only use it on me. I wet with my own saliva and just wet a little bit here and just apply it on my eyebrow just to create a little bit of darkness in the end of my eyebrow because I don't have a lot of hair here, so I just fill all those blank space. So you can see the difference, and I'm gonna do it with this. After that, I'm going to set up like a baking a little bit on my face with this loose powder. It's gonna help bake and as well give you a little bit of light and a little bit here, using the points that I want to accentuate the whiteness or where I want the light comes direct. After this is something that I do new, like I start doing new. So I have these eyeshadows, and I start doing blushing and contouring with this. So let me show you. So what I do with these eyeshadows is take the combination with red and orange, just pop a little bit there, let the brush take a little bit of product like that. It's not that much, and what I do is just apply it from here to my cheekbone, like here out to in, you know, and a little bit of that, like that. As well, it's going to give us to blend the setting powder that we do for bake. And last but not least, I do it on the nose too. I start doing this because of this trend, like it goes like a sunburn, and it actually looks kind of nice. Like I think that for the moment I'm obsessed with that. The next and last thing that I do is just use this. This was trendy on TikTok, and it helps you to set up everything, and it's as well like skincare. It protects your skin and help you a lot. It's what it says for your pores, so that's what I'm using. And when it's dry, it gives you like a little bit of shiny and like natural texture on your skin. So let's just do my hair and I will come back. All right, so I come back, like I do my hair. I don't know if I like it or not, but it's only for the videos and the pictures. So let's see how it goes. Just follow me on my social media to see how the content that I am creating for fashion and just all of that. I love you so much, guys. Like I really miss doing this. Like I love doing social media, and I think that this is how I start doing makeup and fashion on my YouTube channel. So I want to start doing it again, even though I start doing it now in English. So let's just see what's going on. Like, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you for just come here and see it and watch this dude talking to you. And yeah, that's everything. If you have more comments, if you have any tips, advice, criticize everything, or whatever you want to see in this channel, just let me know. And yeah, what's poppin'? Let's meet again next week to see what's happened. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, amores. Adios.